Hello, welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at this 2019 Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. One of the things you'll notice is that they have a through-hull windlass anchor. Keep your deck nice and clean. There's high gunnels on it. And of course, you know, it's a Boston Whaler, it's the unsinkable legend. This particular 27 has the new Mercury 300s on it. And she's decked out. For more detailed viewing of this boat and any of our other Boston Whalers here at MarineMax Gulf Shores, contact Dwayne Diggs. Thank you.